Okay, let's take a look in how the Pendleton Kentucky app works on a Android device. So once you go to Google Play, download, you can just search Pendleton Kentucky or Pendleton KY. And then once you find, you can download and install. You'll have the icon right here on your phone. Just simply touch on that and open it. You'll see all the different places that you can go. So let's say local events. So you can scroll through, see all the different local events that are going on in town. Now, to go back to the Pendleton KY, you can either use the back button on the Android or the top left corner, click on the X. Same way if you go to the local directory, you can touch this button that says visit pendletonky.com or hit the X or go back. We'll hit the X in the top left. Same way if you go to the athletic park or Pendleton Trails. Here you can see the different trails that are here in town. You can use the back button. Same way if you go to the weather, you can check out the weather, see what's going on. Top left, exit out, come back to the home page. And that's how you navigate through on an Android device.